Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and if you are looking for Enter Addons Pro plugin for your WordPress website, then in this video I will guide you how you can purchase it from Bloggingify store and how we can deliver it to your WordPress website. So let's get started. So I will provide you the direct product link in the description box. So just check the description link and you will redirect on the direct product page. Okay, here. So otherwise you can open your any browser and type for Bloggingify store and open our store, and here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins, and if you need anything else so you can purchase from here. Okay, so in this video we'll talk about Elementor add-ons, that is Enter Addons Pro. So you have to click on WordPress category, or you can just click on search icon and type enter or whatever you want, and here you can see Enter Addons Pro activation with original license key. And here's the few details about this product, so let me explain you. Use for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update, installation manually. We will install, that means you have to share your website temporary access with us, and we will install your product in a few minutes with our original license key. Okay, and license type, as you know, original license key we have, so you will receive lifetime auto update on it. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, your last name, your WhatsApp number with country code, your email address for invoices and billing, and other things, and select your payment gateway according to your condition, according to your country. So after the payment confirmation you will redirect here, and here you can see a download button. So just click on it and you will receive our premium contact support. So just send your website temporary access with us and we will install your product in a few minutes. That's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So if you have any doubt you can do a comment in comment section, and once again thank you so much for watching this video.